You coming? You got your new shoes on?
Yeah, I know what you did already. I don't want these. I don't like them. Do not make me walk in them again.
It make you feel better. Want to try it? Are you crying? Oh my God, you look like you're crying. Maybe that's just your eye. Come here. Get up. Let's go. Come on. Come here.
There is nothing that's going to make me get up, lady. So just give up.
Troop, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here.
Girl, you better watch it. I might bite you.
Come here. Come here. Want a treat? Come here. You can't hear a word I'm saying. I know, because you're completely deaf.
Yeah, but I'm not falling for it. I am not wearing these boots. I hate them. Take them back to the store.
Come here. Come here. Poor baby. Look how adorable they are, though. Come here.
Oh my God, you are relentless.
Come here.
Girl,
Come on.
do you not know how miserable these are to walk in?
Come here. Come here. Come see me. Come here. Here you go. You want a treat? You want to go outside? Want to go outside? Want to go outside? Come here.
Finally, is she leaving me alone?
Let's see if I can
God,
get
I
a
hope
treat.
she's leaving me alone. Thank God.
Come here. Want a treat? Want a treat? Trooper. You won't even get up for a treat. Trooper, you want a treat? Want a treat?
Oh
Come on.
my God, I want that so bad. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, fine. Can I shake these things off? Oh, get these things off of me. Get it off. She's got these things on
here.
good. Oh, jeez.
Come here.
Oh,
Come on.
I really love you, but you are making this so hard for me to enjoy my life.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come here. Come here, Trooper. Come on. Come here, baby. You can do it. Come on. Come here, honey.
This is not
Trooper, come here.
natural. Do you not understand how unnatural this
Come
is?
here, baby. Come on.
Fine.
Come on.
Fine. I will try it.
That's it.
Look, it's
That's
ridiculous.
Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on.
No, just no. No, just no. No, I'm not. Nope. Not gonna happen.
Oh, God.
Pure torture. And I don't know what you think you're doing, but I hate these things. Can we just go back inside,
You want
please?
to try to walk
Please.
on them? Troop. It might make you feel better. That's it. Good job. That's it. Get used to it. You're doing good. Come on, Troop. Come on. Come on. You want to go back inside? Come on. Come on. Good boy. You're getting used to them, aren't you?
I will never get used to these things, but you said we were going back inside, so I'm willing to
You're
just
doing
walk back inside. So
great.
take these things off of me as soon as we get inside.
That's it. Good job, buddy.
I am not your buddy unless you take these things off of me.
You're doing good. You like them?
No, I don't like them. Just get inside so we can get these off.
And can you go up on the step? Let's see. Yeah. That's it. Good job, buddy. Way to go, trooper.
Whatever.
Want a treat?
You're killing me, lady. Can I just go lay down and go to sleep now?
Whoops. Way to go, buddy. You're doing good.
Look, I tried for your sake, and I love you, but get these off
I'm
now.
so proud of you. Yeah. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. You are a good boy. You're a good boy. Look at your tail wagging. You like him, don't you? He's like, get these things off of me. I love you.